So as you have seen so far, the process of scraping the web is very simple. All you need to do is that you need to follow these steps, the four steps, making the function, the main function, and then making requests or a request, and then making the beautiful soup object, and then storing data in a file. And then optionally you can read the data or remove the data. And by the way, there is no specific function that would get data from any website. There is no such thing. You need to kind of modify your function for each single web page that you want to scrape. But it's very simple, by the way. The process, as I told you, it's going to be similar. So you need to make a request, of course, and then you need to make a beautiful soup object, and then you need to find the tag, the parent that you are interested in, and then using that parent, you might need to kind of loop over it and get children, or you might need to get only a single element from a web page, and then you need to make another beautiful soup object, and then you need to get children of that object or that element, and then you need to loop over all of them and get pull out data from these children if you want to pull out the string, for example, here as we have seen in this example. And the process is always going to be the same, except for the way of accessing different web pages elements. So it depends upon the source code of a page, as we have seen in that web page in the Daily Coffee News. You first need to check the elements. You need to open you need to click on inspect and check out the elements, or you can check the page source. And then by checking out the source code of a web page, you can develop your script. And here you can write the correct code that would just pull out the tags and information that you are interested in. And it's going to be, again, it's going to be very different from one page to another. So for each single page that you are and you want to scrape, you would have to kind of edit your functions. But don't worry, because it's simple. It's just simple. As long as you know exactly what you want from a web page, you can develop your script in a way that would pull out the correct data from the correct elements that you are interested in. So always, in order to create a web scraper, you always need to check the source code of the page that you are interested in.